Hello friends, welcome back to the another episode of Pervinder Singh Cooking. Now today I make a fish fry for you my dear friends. But before making a fish dish, I tell you some benefits of fish. Friends, fish contain a low fat and high quality of protein, and it also contains a omega-3 fatty acid, and which is very important for our human body. Dear friends, fish contain a lot of calcium, vitamins and minerals such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium and potassium. It is very good for our human body. Eating twice a daily fish in a week is very good for our human body. Dear friends, the American Heart Association recommended eating a fish twice in a week as part of a healthy diet. Friends, fish is packed with protein, vitamins, nutrients and minerals that can be lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Dear friends, fish contain a omega-3 fatty acids, which is very useful for our human body. It is a healthy nutrient, keep our heart and brain healthy. There is 2 omega-3 fatty acids found in a fish, such as EPA and DHA. The full form of EPA is eicosapentaenoic acid, and the full form of DHA is docosahexaenoic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in every kind of fish, such as salmon, light tuna and oyster. So my dear friends, without wasting a time, I make a very simple fish fry for you.
Dear friends, fish is a high protein and low fat food that provides a range of health benefits. White fleshed fish in particular is low in fat than any other source of animal protein, and oily fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids or the good fats. Since the human body can't make significant amounts of these essentials nutrients, fish are an important part of the diet. Also, fish are low in the bad fats commonly found in red meat called omega-6 fatty acids. A growing body of evidence indicates that omega-3 fatty acid provides a number of health benefits. They help maintain cardiovascular health by playing a role in the regulation of blood clotting and vessels contractions, are important for prenatal and postnatal neurological development. Dear friends, making a fish fry, I take a 1 kg of fish. First of all, wash the 1 kg of fish by warm water. The ingredients I used in this recipe are chili powder according to use, mustard oil according to use, pasta masala according to taste, a mixture of coriander, cloves, cinnamon powder according to your taste, turmeric powder 2 tablespoons, salt according to use, wheat flour 5 spoons. First of all, we make a marination paste with wheat flour. In a wheat flour, I add chili powder, turmeric powder, a mixture of cinnamon, cardamom and clove, and salt according to your taste. Now I marinated the fish with wheat flour paste in which I use a turmeric powder, a mixture of cinnamon, cardamom, clove powder, salt according to use, and red chilies. After half an hour, I fry the fish with some mustard oil. This is a very simple method of making a fish fry, my dear friends. Now I take a pan and I warm the some mustard oil and fry the fish in a mustard oil. Dear friends, eating fish can improve the health of our body and mind. The research is very strong. In fact, there are thousands of studies supporting the benefits of fish. Many of the health benefits are attributed to two omega-3 fats found in fish called eicosapentaenoic acid (EPA) and docosahexaenoic acid (DHA). Now friends, fish fry is ready and please make it in your home. Dear friends, fish reducing blood pressure and reducing inflammation, reducing plaque forming in the arteries, reducing blood clots, and also increased insulin sensitivity. So fish is very good for our human body. Dear friends, age-related macular degeneration can lead to vision loss in older adults. Omega-3 fat supports vision in part while reducing inflammation. Researchers believe EPA and DHA help protect the retina and prevent the development or progression of AMD. And so my dear friends, thank you for watching Parvinder Singh Cooking.